Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch here, flip the latch. Same over here on the other side, pinch, flip. I've got a handle on either side of the ramp. Take it down using just my index finger here. Very easy to do. Ramp is 34 inches wide. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base. It does have 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. The headliner is in excellent condition. Between the second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. So oftentimes the person's legs will sit up between the seats. The bottom will sit just behind the seats. If you want more room to maybe get the wheelchair all the way up to the front of the canal, we can often remove one of these seats. We can put seats that flip up on their side, just depending on what you want to do. But tell us the measurements you need. Tell us what you need. There's no one size fits all. Tell us what you need and we can try and make it happen. The dash is in great shape. Has steering wheel controls, so you keep your eyes on the road. There's all the goodies with the radio, dual climate control, rear air controls, plenty of cup holders. Got your plug-ins down there for all your electronics. We do give a free set of pull-tight Q-strength tie downs away with each van to tie the wheelchair down. So when you get everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger, put it back up, latch it, and you are ready to go. As far as a walk around on the van, it does have tinted windows in the rear. The rear tires are about 9 seconds. The front ones are about 12 to 13, 30 seconds, so like new tires on this thing. Front 2 tires are actually brand new. The body is very clean. Hard to find a dent or scratch on it. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. It's very nice, very clean. Whoever's had this van has taken excellent care of it. Just a real sharp looking van. Inside the van we always show you the VIN number. Also, speaking of that VIN number, we do give a free Carfax report away with each one of our vehicles. You can see this is no accidents or damage, 1 owner, last owned in California, so a nice rust-free area. As we scroll down on the Carfax, shows there's no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Carfax guarantees that. Guarantee no total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, the odometer is accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. So this is exactly what we're looking for on a used vehicle. Come from a rust-free state, no accidents or damage, and a clean title. So we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Okay, as far as the interior of the van, very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. I don't smell any signs of smoke or unusual odors in this van. Everything looks good. Driver's seat looks good. Passenger seat much the same. Like I mentioned, the headliner all looks good. These back seats look to be in great condition. These seats will fold down, but you do not have the stow and go anymore, because the canal is down there now, so you do not have stow and go seating anymore. We've got 2 key fobs with this van. Got the keyless entry. You can see the current mile is 23,514. When I go to turn the van on, it fires right up. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, so that's good. Radio works. We've tested not only everything big, but everything small. The power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, power mirrors, power windows. This is not some van that we ship out to you or you come in and look at and it's got a bunch of problems we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. Let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly. Looks darn near brand new. I don't see any signs of any accidents. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any damage or rust or anything like that. So as I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Clean California van, looks great. No bent metal from an accident or anything that I can see. It's just like we want it to. And that's the number one mistake people make when they're used vehicle shopping. They assume things. They assume because it has low miles. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesperson, was nice to them. They assume it's a good deal. They assume it runs and drives good. Nothing could be further from the truth. You got to do your due diligence. You got to demand a video like this. And you'll notice our competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of the vehicle. Go look at their website right now. Tell me, how many pictures do they have of the undercarriage of the vehicle? There's a reason behind that. They buy a lot of these, that have been in accidents, that have been in floods, that are out from the Northeast, that are all rusted out, and they sell them to you, and you're none the wiser. And I'm telling you right now that all those can lead to a lot of issues, not only immediately, but down the road. So do your due diligence. Demand a detailed video like this. And if you don't, and the vehicle shows up, and 80% of the time it's not going to be what you expected, there's going to be something you didn't know, well, you really only have yourself to blame. So people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video just like this one. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if we come in and you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure this van is roadworthy. Pop it up to about 65 miles an hour. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, so everything we're looking for. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We sell very affordable extended warranties, and we strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle purchase. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that we've got great reviews when it comes to our videos. Our Carfax reports are a great reputation. On Google, I saw we had 4.7 out of 5-star reviews. On eBay, we have over 800 transactions, and everybody had positive things to say about us. It's 800 people said we did them right, and 0 people said we did them wrong. So my point is, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting and to not waste your time. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you go talk to them, or you go into the store, you find out they have a $500 dock fee, and then a tag fee, and an administrative fee. Next thing you know, all these fees, and oh yeah, they don't have free shipping either like we do. So next thing you know, that real nice price is about $3,000 more after they've tacked on all their hidden fees. And my other question to you is, if someone's not going to tell you the real price, other than obvious sales tax and things like that, but if they're not going to tell you the real price, if they tell you $10,000, the van should be $10,000. And if they're not going to be honest, they're going to be deceitful right off the bat. No, I've got this fee and that fee and all these fees. But what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage, an accident? Are they hiding mechanical issues? But that's for you to decide. But I know if someone's not being genuine and honest with me right off the bat, I don't trust them. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to my point, if someone, like I said, if I don't trust somebody, if they're not being honest with me, I'm definitely not giving them my hard-earned dollar. And if you want to give your hard-earned money to someone that's not very trustworthy, that's not very honest, well, that's up to you. I can't control what you do with your money. I would strongly advise against it, but again, that's up to you. If you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to ask one of those big companies like Freedom Motors, VMI, Braun Corporation, or Mobility Works. I want you to say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if I ever have any issues, I can reach out and call the owner directly. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you their owner's cell phone number? Try it. Let me know. You can see our inventory 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. It's mobility316.com. We've got detailed videos and Carfax reports of all of our vehicles. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your email or your phone. Or if you're old school and not real tech savvy, that's okay. We can take an application over the phone verbally. So we do take trade-ins. And I just wanted to thank you so much for checking out our 15 Caravan. And if you have any questions, give us a call. Let us know how we can help. We're always happy to help. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.